College life is a whirlwind of early morning lectures, late-night study sessions, and spontaneous weekend road trips. In this fast-paced world, having a reliable car isn't a luxury. It's a necessity. A great car gives students the freedom to manage their hectic schedules, run errands efficiently, and explore life beyond campus. But let's not ignore the elephant in the room: money. Between tuition fees, rent, and everyday expenses, the last thing a college student needs is a gas-guzzling money pit. That's why we've handpicked the 10 best new cars for college students in 2025, focusing on affordability, fuel efficiency, tech features, and overall practicality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly ride or a fuel-saving hybrid, we've got you covered. Number 5. 2025 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid. If you're after a fuel-efficient, stylish, and feature-packed sedan, the Hyundai Elantra Hybrid is a top contender. Why? Because it's a car that balances affordability with cutting-edge technology. Under the hood, the Elantra Hybrid sports a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, delivering 139 horsepower and an incredible 56 mpg combined. That's gas station visits cut in half. The smooth-shifting dual-clutch transmission adds to the sporty feel, making it a joy to drive. The 10.25-inch infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, and digital gauge cluster create a high-tech environment that rivals luxury cars. Plus, with standard driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, you're getting premium safety at a budget-friendly price. Expect it to start around $26,000, making it a steal for what it offers. Number 4. 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. For students who need more cargo space and versatility, the Corolla Cross Hybrid is an excellent pick. It's essentially a more spacious, higher-riding Corolla with all the same reliability and fuel efficiency. The 2.0-liter hybrid engine produces 196 horsepower, making it both peppy and economical. With standard AWD and an estimated 42 mpg combined, it's perfect for students who need a balance between city driving and weekend getaways. You'll find a well-built cabin with a 9-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone connectivity, and a spacious rear seat, ideal for Ubering friends around or hauling groceries. Plus, Toyota's reputation for reliability means fewer headaches down the road. Starting at $28,000, it's a solid investment for students needing practicality without sacrificing modern tech. Number 3. 2025 Honda Civic Hatchback. The Honda Civic has been a student favorite for decades, and the 2025 Civic Hatchback continues the tradition. It's fun to drive, fuel-efficient, and loaded with tech, making it a fantastic all-rounder. With a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing 180 horsepower, the Civic offers a sporty yet efficient drive, achieving 39 mpg on the highway. The hatchback design means extra cargo space, perfect for moving between dorms or road tripping with friends. Tech-wise, the digital instrument cluster, Bose premium sound system, and Honda Sensing Safety Suite keep you entertained and safe. It's priced around $26,500, making it one of the best value cars in 2025. Number 2. 2025 Mazda 3 Hatchback. For students who appreciate style and driving dynamics, the Mazda 3 Hatchback is a no-brainer. It's one of the most premium-feeling cars in its segment, with an upscale interior and sharp handling. Under the hood, the 2.5-liter engine produces 191 horsepower, while the available AWD system makes it perfect for students in snowy states. The fuel economy is respectable at 35 mpg highway, and Mazda's reputation for reliability adds long-term peace of mind. The 8.8-inch infotainment screen, leatherette seating, and minimalist dashboard create a refined cabin. Priced at around $28,000, It's a stylish alternative to traditional economy cars. Number 1. 2025 Toyota Prius. The undisputed king of efficiency and practicality for college students is none other than the Toyota Prius. Forget everything you thought about the old Prius. It's now sleek, modern, and fun to drive. With a 2.0-liter hybrid powertrain pushing out 196 horsepower, it's quick, fuel-efficient, 57 mpg combined, and surprisingly stylish. The latest Prius also comes packed with a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen, advanced safety features, and a futuristic cabin. At around $30,000, it's not the cheapest on the list, but it pays for itself with long-term savings on gas and maintenance. If you want a future-proof, eco-friendly, and smart ride for college life, this is the best choice. Choosing the right car as a college student is about balancing budget, fuel efficiency, and daily usability. If you're on a tight budget, the Hyundai Elantra Hybrid or Honda Civic Hatchback offers great value. Need more space and AWD? The Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid is your go-to. If style and driving pleasure matter, the Mazda 3 hatchback is unbeatable. But if you want maximum fuel savings and modern tech, the Toyota Prius is the ultimate winner. At the end of the day, your perfect college car depends on your lifestyle, needs, and budget. What's your pick from this list? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth car content. That's it for today's list of the best cars for college students in 2025.